It's T and T, and today we are going to be doing a slime challenge. So, let's get on to the video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to add is our purple. So, let's add some. Okay, that's good enough. Now we're going to be adding some food coloring, which I think I'm going to do the pink color. I'll do the teal. So we're going to add a couple drops of the food coloring. Hopefully you don't get it on yourself. Taylor, just try to add two. Okay. So now I'm going to close this up. And now I'm going to mix it up. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's red. Oh, well. It's kind of turning. Mine is dark turquoise. Oh, mine's going to be a black slime. Mine's going to be a red slime. Actually, you know what? If I had some teal, I could make this purple. So I could fix this. I could fix it. If I had a pink in mine, what would it be? Brown? The slime turned out. Ooh, it's magenta. Ew, is it black? Mine is turning into a purpley color. It looks like black. Maybe it'll turn out a different color once you mix it more. I think I'm gonna add more glue in. I know, maybe that'll help even out the coloring. Okay. There we go. Oh, that's a lot. Because my coloring did not turn out so well. Because I wanted. It's turning back teal, Taylor. Okay, mine is turning into purple now. Mine is turning back to teal. Mine is kind of looking a little plum. Okay. So now we're going to add a little bit of our baking soda. So. Do you want me to add it in? Oh, wait. This is a slime challenge. I can't add it in for you, so you're going to have to do it. So I'm going to start mixing it. You might need more along the way, so I'm going to start using the saline solution. Okay. I'm going to start mixing it together. Oopsie. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to keep mixing. I think I'm going to need more of this. Okay, so I'm gonna keep mixing it up. It's like black. Mine looks black too. Look at mine. Okay, I'm gonna add more of our saline solution. Add more saline solution. Mine is already clumping up. Mine is starting sticking to the bowl. It's not supposed to stick. Look, no, it's like cleaning up the bowl. Oh, well, that's good. Okay, so mine is almost done. We're going to be making a white slime after this in our next video. We're going to be doing a not my hands slime challenge after this video. We're going to be doing challenges on this channel and a whole bunch of others. We're going to be doing toy reviews and playing with toys. We'll do like series and stuff. Like a fancy restaurant. We might do a fancy restaurant series. It'll be with LOLs probably. LOL pets and LOLs. Yeah, what she said. So mine is almost there. I need more saline. Is mine ready? I don't. Because it's like sticking to the bowl. Oh, I can't feel it. You have to touch it. You have to do it yourself. Ew, dry slime. Yep, not ready. What makes it not sticky? I think mine is. Yeah, I need. I don't know what I'm doing. You don't know what you're doing. Oh. I didn't even. Ow! My slime's kind of. Ow, that hurt! Okay. I need more saline. I think it's gonna be a good slime, hopefully. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some of the saline solution on my hands and mix it over my bowl, just like this. Oh wow, so I think mine's ready. Okay, I'm gonna start kneading it. Ooh, mine's stretchy. Okay. So this is my slime. It turned into a purple.
This is my slime. It's very dark and it's turquoise. I like my slime.
I think my slime.
I think
I would. I think my slime won.
No, we have to trade and test ours out.
Okay, so let's put all this away. Okay. Okay, so we are going to put it on the table and we're going to poke it. So your turn. Okay, now it's my turn. Okay, now we're going to mix it up again and we're going to switch.
Ooh, Taylor.
Yours is interesting.
Whoa, Taylor, yours is stretchy.
Yours is too. Yours is kind of interesting. Yours is like, feels chunky kind of. It feels like you added too much baking soda.
You can barely even stretch yours.
Okay, so let's trade back.
I like
so,
my slime.
who do you think won?
Write down in the comments.
Whoever you thought won, write down in the comments. Mine is super duper stretchy. And it can pop.
Mine,
and then it could also make a slime bubble and makes that kind of noise. So comment down below who you think won and whose was your favorite.
So if you want to vote for me, it'll be,
you're gonna put Tessa.
and if it's her, you're gonna put Taylor.
So that's why our channel is called TNT, Taylor and Tessa. And so comment down below who you think won and if we should do more slime videos. And well, we are going to, even if you guys don't want us to. We're going to still make more slime videos. We're going to do a whole bunch of other stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time on TNT.